Heavy equipment haulers of Oklahoma. This is the John Deere 750E series. Full cab, AC and heat. It does have the rear winch. Shows 6,000 hours on the meter. The undercarriage has newer rollers, chain pins, as well as sprockets. So doing pretty good there. This machine also has the 8-foot blade, which makes it a legal load to haul. That is a tilt blade. Delivery is available. If you have any questions on this machine, would like a free quote for delivery, please feel free to give us a call at 405-833-6437. Thank you. We appreciate your time, and like we said, please feel free to give us a call if you have any questions.